What's up? This is Outdoors James, and I'm gonna be shooting this little airsoft gun, see what it'll do. And I'm gonna be shooting it at that target. It's got a couple holes in it from crossbows and BB guns, but I'm about to try to shoot it with this. So, here we go. Let me go set this up. Alright, I have it set up about right there. Whoa, it almost came back and hit me. Alright, I shot it 2 times, forgot where I shot it the first time, but the second time it came back and hit me, and that's the hole. That one right there. Let me see. That one right there. It did not pierce it, but it sure did give it a little dent. It broke through the plastic on top. I think I'm gonna try to shoot it again, but except turn it on the side or something like that, or I could see it better. Okay. Oh dang. 2 of them came up. Oh man. I'm trying to get this load right, but 2 of them keep coming up. It would not work right, but just kept on shooting 2 out. And that's the one right there. It just basically ripped the seam. Oh crap! It cracked the seam and whatchamacallit. Can't even think the target. Oh, getting tired out here. But it didn't do anything to it really much. It's still a really fun little gun. It's not that big. I mean, I could hold it with one hand and shoot it. And I could still get it on good precision. Jeez. So, that's all. Well, that's all right now, folks. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.